Hi kids! Welcome to a new weekly science lab video. Let's keep on studying the properties of matter. This time we're going to focus on water in relation to materials. In addition to the material's susceptibility to oxidation, which is quite obvious, there is another very relevant phenomenon to take into consideration regarding the relationship between water and materials, which is also of crucial importance for living beings: permeability. Permeability is the condition of a material in general, and a membrane in particular, that causes it to allow liquids or gases to pass through it. Therefore, we can distinguish materials that are permeable and materials that are impermeable. But you know, nature is never that simple, right? Yes, there are materials that are in an in-between state which let liquids and other substances to pass through in one sense or the other, depending on the conditions. These are the semi-permeable materials. And at this point is when everything turns much more interesting. The passage of substances through semi-permeable membranes depends on many factors, but overall, the pressure and the concentration of substances on either side of the membrane. Many natural and synthetic materials thicker than a membrane are also semi-permeable. Examples of these are the thin film in the inside of an egg or the membrane that encloses cells. The diffusion of water through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. This allows only certain particles to go through, including water, and leaving behind solutes and other substances, including salt and contaminants. As you can imagine, semi-permeable materials have many interesting uses in technology and industry, such as the manufacturing of filters for water treatment and desalination. Let's put osmosis and semi-permeable membranes in practice. It is experiment time. I am attaching to this task a video showing a very simple experiment in which the power of semi-permeable materials in osmosis is demonstrated. Take a look at it and do it yourself. Of course, you will have to adapt the instructions to the materials you have. The ability to adapt to circumstances is very necessary in a scientist, and it is a sign of intelligence and creativity. And I don't know any smarter or more creative scientist than you. I hope you enjoyed this activity. See you!